Welcome back, my dear students, for the 26th session of Cost Accounting. Myself, Dr. Nagamani KN, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, KGF. In this session, we are going to discuss what are the methods of labor remuneration. In the previous session, we have discussed what is the meaning and types of labor cost, and also we have discussed some basic concepts meaning like idle time and overtime. Now, methods of remuneration, or we can call it as systems of wage payments. There are three methods of remunerations are there. The first one is time rate system. What do you mean by this time rate system? Under this system, workers are paid wages on the basis of time spent by the workers without considering the work done by them. For example, the standard working hours per day is 8 hours. If they have produced or not produced the goods, if they are staying in the organization for 8 hours, they are getting 8 hours wages. For example, for 1 hour 100 rupees means for 8 hours 800 rupees. Whether they are working in the organization or not working in the organization, if they are staying in the organization for 8 hours, they are getting 800 rupees. So, there is no relation between wages and the output. Here, they can pay the idle wages also. The payment here they can consider on hourly or daily or monthly basis. The formula for calculating time rate system is number of hours worked into rate per hour. For example, number of hours is 8, rate per hour is 100. 8 into 100 means 800 rupees the worker will get. That is called as time rate system. In simple terms, we can say that even the common layman can understand and they can calculate what is the wages they can get or the workers get on the basis of time rate. So, here there is no correlation or there is no relationship between the wages and the output. The second method of remuneration is the piece rate system. It is also very simple and easy to understand. The meaning of piece rate system is, under this piece rate system, wages are paid to workers on the basis of units produced at a fixed rate per unit. The wages are linked to the output and not to the time. But in the case of time rate system, there is no relationship between the production and the time. But here there is a relationship between the production, that is output, and the time. The formula for piece rate system is number of units produced into rate per unit. For example, if the employees produced, I will take the example of 3 employees A, B and C. A produced 10 products. So, rate per unit is 10. 10 into 10, 100. Okay, and B produced only 8, and rate per unit is 10. 8 into 10, 80. And the worker C produced 12 units. 12 into 10 per unit means 120. Okay, so based on the output, based on the production produced by the employees, they are getting the wages. That is called as piece rate system. And the last method of remuneration is incentive scheme or bonus plans. Under these plans, this incentive or bonus plan, it is an inducing or motivating the workers to produce more and more goods and earn more wages. Here organization, they are motivating or inducing the workers to produce more and also earn more. Here the remuneration paid for the increased output is called as incentive wages. And this incentive scheme, it is a combination of time wage and also the piece wage system. See, in the case of time wage system, worker, they are not getting any reward for the time saved. But in the case of piece wage system, workers will get the reward for time saved. But in the case of incentive schemes, employee and also the employer, they are sharing the benefits of time saved. That is, both employee and also employer, they are sharing the benefits of time saved. So under this incentive or bonus plan, the main aim is to encourage the workers to produce more and more goods and also earn more and more wages. That is called as incentive scheme or bonus plans. Okay, in this session what we have discussed, methods of remuneration. There are three methods of remunerations are there. One is time rate system, second one is piece rate system, and the third one is incentive scheme, or we can call it as bonus plans. For further references, you can refer all these books. Thank you.